Now I suppose it's time for me to get into the inspiring part of my speech. As most of you probably know, based off of my first name, I am Hawaiian. My name, ʻAʻaliʻi, means to bring praise or glory to God. Being Hawaiian is something that I take great pride in, and thinking about my culture and my ancestors who came before me brings me great happiness because of how much love I have for my culture and my people. So today I wanted to give you something a little more personal than just a poem I found off of Google or a quote by a famous person. There's an old ʻAʻaliʻi or Hawaiian proverb which says, "He ʻAʻaliʻi kumakani maiau, ʻaʻohe makani nana e kulaʻi," which translates to, "I'm a wind-resisting ʻAʻaliʻi. No gale can push me over." If you don't know what an ʻAʻaliʻi is, it is a native Hawaiian plant that is considered sacred to the Hawaiian people. However, what makes the ʻAʻaliʻi so special is that it is able to grow amongst the worst conditions because its roots firmly grip the soil. The ʻAʻaliʻi bush can withstand the worst of gales, and although it may twist and bend, it is so strong that it seldom breaks off or falls over. I chose this ʻōlelo because my class is that ʻAʻaliʻi bush. Each and every one of us have faced hardships throughout our own individual lives. But this year, our class took quite a hit due to the COVID-19 pandemic that is going on. Our prom and senior trip were canceled. We had to finish our school year looking at each other through our computer screens. And even right now, as all of our family and friends are not allowed to be with us here on this special day. As you can see, my class has done quite a lot of twisting and bending throughout the ending of this school year. And at times, I'm sure we all felt like we were about to break, but we didn't. We did not break.